Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You just grabbed mom's knife. Start by treating it like a single, precise tool rather than a spray. Immediately position yourself so enemies approach you instead of you chasing them, because the knife excels at short to mid-range and punishes poor spacing. Aim carefully. Line up straight shots down corridors or through choke points and release when an enemy commits. This reduces wasted throws and leverages the knife's damage. Once done, keep moving to avoid returns or projectiles. Now refine execution. Control the arena by baiting foes into predictable paths, because a straight knife favors aligned targets. Once you force movement, wait for the brief window when their trajectory crosses yours, then throw. This read and release approach increases consistent damage. Make micro adjustments, one step left or right, so knives intersect moving enemies instead of passing behind them. Also, alternate holding position and quick strafes to let the knife's hitbox register reliably against different enemy sizes and behaviors. To complete fights, focus the knife on priority targets with clear movement patterns. Bosses with linear attacks are ideal because consistent hits finish them faster. If you find frequent misses, troubleshoot by stepping back 1 to 2 tiles and recalibrating your aim. Small spacing changes often fix hit registration. When blind spots persist, combine mom's knife with orbitals or familiars to catch enemies the knife can't. That complementary cover reduces reliance on perfect alignment and turns hits into wins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.